Oh baby, if you've been with this channel a long time, you're gonna know that I filmed a video where I cut my hair for the first time. And that was reviewing a trimmer. And today we're gonna be cutting my hair for a second time on here, reviewing another hair trimmer, the Warner trimmer right here. And this guy features titanium ceramic blade, 9 guide combs, 5 length settings, 2000 milliamp hour lithium ion battery, and low noise, it claims. But we will definitely find this out for sure. This is the packaging. It has some stuff on the sides of it, stuff like that. But we don't care. We care about what's inside. What's in the box? And here you get like a manual. You get an actual pair of scissors inside. The guards, the trimmer itself, which we will go into detail on, of course. Some lubricant, the charger, and some comb lengths. But let's just talk about the trimmer itself right here, okay? Here it is. Here's the guy looking all sweet and tasty. And the cool thing about this is you can unscrew the bottom. And what do we got? What do we got? We got an actual battery that you can replace, which is pretty cool. This is what you're charging through and actually charging direct the battery itself. So how cool is that? You do get a comb inside, but as you can see right here, the comb is bent pretty bad. So the comb's not great at all. I'll be using my really nice comb that I have myself. So you can see, you can change the height of the blade right there. Keep this guy oiled, comes with oil. Super quiet. Seems to be. Here's the scissors you get with it. Sounds okay. Cleaning brush. Here's a thin guard that comes with it. So this guy will just snap on like so. Like so. Like so. Boom. Boom. And then you've got a thin guard. So I'm pretty excited about this guard here. It's short on one side and longer on the other, and you get 2 of them, one for your left side and one from your right side or something like that. But it helps fade a little bit better than I can do. I really can't fade that well, so I'm excited to try the fading on these guards. And of course you get a count, then you get a bunch of guards that are just various lengths and stuff like that. The link will be down in the YouTube description. So go down there and check that out for specs that I don't mention here and a list of everything that you get with it. So as you can tell, I've got like a lot of hair here, probably nose hairs, I'm pretty sure, hair up in here, everywhere else, ears, you name it. I'll show you what I use on a regular basis and I'll link those devices as well. This is the best nose trimmer I've ever been able to find, and I just use this for my nose, this guard for my eyebrows, and just go trim those down. Works great. I use this wall trimmer here for my face. It's got a vacuum on it. It doesn't get all the clippings, but it gets some. Reduces the mess, of course. It's got a dumping bin for your clippings. And I use this to trim my face completely down before I use Absolute Zero Gamma Plus razor, electric razor with the 2 blades things there. This is actually micro USB rechargeable. I recharge this thing like it seems like once every 3 months to 6 months or something crazy. It lasts forever. Does a great job, gets it super close, and very affordable. So I'll leave a link to all this stuff, and I'm going to use this stuff after I get my hair trimmed up, and you're not going to see that. I'm just going to focus on the hair trimming. And also, this is a barber cloth. It goes around my neck, goes up to the mirror right behind the camera, goes into the hooks, and just acts like a basket to catch all my clippings so I don't make a huge mess. We'll color my hair with simpler hair color. It's the best hair color for men that I could find. It's super simple, easy. I have a standalone video about this. I'll link it at the end of the video and down in the description of how to apply this, how it works, and the whole deal with it. But after I trim my hair, I'll put this on, let it sit for 10 minutes and wash it out. And then after the trimming and stuff, we'll come back and get a good look at the final product. The angled guard on, it says left on it, so I'm going to start on the left. And you know, this looks about the right height. That I normally cut it really low, so I'm going to do that and just go by what it's telling me to do, and then go through the sides here, trim down. I have no idea what the heck's gonna happen. I guess this looks okay. It looks a little weird. It looks weird now. I get it. But we're going to blend this in. I am winging this. So now I'm going to do the right side. Whoa, now all I'm trying to do is line it up exactly where I did this top part of the guard at. And it's doing a good job of fading into it, so I'm just going to duplicate the height on the lowest and then trim all this up. So that was pretty simple to fade that in. So I like that a lot. And I'm just trying to duplicate where I go around the back because I'm kind of going blind. And then I'll just do the thicker part in the back, up the back, because I've kind of came over. Hope you can see that. I think I've done, it feels like it's equal when I was doing it, but I'll do my best. Okay, so I think I'm done with the fader. Now I'm going to use the 6mm guard to go through here and just see how that looks. I may have to go the one down from this. No, I think that got it. I think that's going to blend correctly. What I'm doing back here is I'm just guessing halfway up the back, and then I'll do my best to blend with the matching the taller guard on the top of that slanted guard, you know what I'm saying? So far it looks good, looks blended in. I'm just totally clueless what I'm going to end up doing with the top of my head. I am going to go ahead and trim around my ears and hold off and do my neck, the back of my neck at the end when I take this thing off. This is kind of spooky because I'm putting this up against my flesh for the first time. Okay, I think I got around my ears correctly and stuff. And I'll get this with the face trimming and all that. I'm just now I'm gonna focus on the top. I really don't know what I'm gonna do. I may just use clippers on the top and do it with my hands to blend it in. That way I can wear my hair kind of messed up on the top, but get rid of this bird thing. I look like the bird. Got the finger little grippy thingy. I feel like sit back, relax, guy. We're gonna take good care of you. What the heck am I doing? Oh, God. But I'm just giving it a choppy look because I really don't care because I wear my hair messy, like I said, so it may work out great. I hope so. I think I blended that pretty good. I'll bust out the mirror for the first time and check out the damage. Looks pretty good. You be the judge. Don't worry, I'm gonna blend that in with a higher guard. But I think I'm done with the choppy blending because I like the way that that looks. And now I'm just gonna kind of focus on this mess in the neck area here with a thicker guard than what I had to kind of do the ears with. I'm just trying to line this guarding up to what looks to be correct. All right, so let's just inspect. Does it look good? I think it looks as good as I can probably get it. And we're gonna move on, take this off. Let's get this neck, let's get it up in here a little bit better, and then do the whole wardrobe, face, dye, all that kind of stuff. What I normally do for the neck is pretty simple. Just look with this mirror here and put my hand here for the actual neckline and just trace it out. Gonna take my handy dandy trimmer and get even closer. I guess it looks decent. And now I'm gonna follow this line for the little line that goes right through here. I'm gonna use this comb for a line. Okay, so let's take a look at the neck area. I sure hope that looks okay, but I'll know when I edit this video. All right, so now I'm just gonna do the face, trim the face, do the hair, and then now we're gonna see what I look like right out of the shower with the whole face did. Boop. And here we have the finished product. Does it look okay? It's hard for me to see behind me, so hopefully it looks good. I think it might have ate my neck up a little bit. I'm not too sure. May just end up using it for the angle through here that will blend for me. But overall, I thought it did a pretty good job with the guards and blending it in like that. So that's a plus for me to be able to get that because I have trouble doing that on my own. And I'll probably use my own thinning shears up here. And what I trim my face down with, I'll use that to etch around my neck and stuff with. So there you go. So make sure to explode on that subscribe button and ding that bell so you get notified of the next video that I have coming out. And I got one coming soon. See ya.